Welcome to Shoplogix Action Plan. In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn how to track root cause analysis of your production issues and easily manage your PDCA activities. Let's get started. Creating an action plan from a machine state is easy. First, find the machine state and comment that you want to follow up on. If you haven't already entered a comment, do so now. Click the blue clipboard icon beside the comment to start a new action plan. Click OK in the confirmation pop-up and you're all set. To find the action plans connected to this machine, use the navigation menu and click Action Plan. This is your action plan portal. All action plans related to your machine will be listed here, along with their current status. As you can see, some of the fields have been automatically filled in for you. The remaining columns will be for you to fill in during your daily production meetings to help track your PDCA activities. Here you'll be able to add a due date so your team can work toward a measurable goal. After you determine the root cause of the issue, enter it in the column labeled Cause. Enter your resolution activities in the column called Corrective Action. As you can see, the status bar changes with your action plan's progress. When you perform your corrective actions, click the status icon to confirm your work. After you or your team verifies the resolution, click the status icon again to close the action plan. Now that your action plan is complete, let's clean up your list while preserving the history of your work. Select your action plan and click the Archive button to hide the completed work from view. Please note that Archive will hide your action plan, but Delete will permanently delete it. Always use the Archive button. Delete should only be used if you made an action plan by mistake. Now during your production shifts, there will of course be some action plans that you'll want to create that are not directly related to machine states or comments. To create manual action plans, simply click the plus button at the top of the screen. Enter a description of your action plan and you're all set. Everything else will be the same. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your dedicated customer success engineer.